Hey, Kharisma here. Welcome back. Now, today I'm going to be talking all about the 7 laws of attraction. In my previous video, which was the introduction for the series, I talked about that there are 7 laws of attraction. And today I'm going to share with you what those laws are. Now, you're probably surprised. 7 laws that are all a part of the law of attraction that makes up the law of attraction? Yes. There are 7 laws in the body of the law of attraction. There are actually 7 laws. So tell me, are you surprised in the comments below? Have you ever heard of this before? Share with me. Is this something that surprises you? I'm curious to know. So let's jump right into it. Now, the first law that makes up the law of attraction, okay, number 1, the law of manifestation. The law of manifestation states that the more and more that you focus on something, you will manifest it. I was talking about earlier in my other video and other videos that I've shared, that what we focus on, we will attract, right? We manifest. So where are you putting your attention? Are you putting your attention on what you do want in your life or on what you do want? Are you putting your attention on the positive or on the negative? So do a quick check as you go about your day every day. Where is your attention? The things that you focus on the most in your life will be manifested in your life. It's like a mirror, right? What happens on the inside is reflected back on the outside. So that is the law of manifestation, number 1. Number 2 is the law of magnetism. The law of magnetism states that the same energy that we put out into the world and that we're operating on, that's our natural state, that is what we are going to attract. It's like a magnet. Magnets come to each other. Something that's magnetic connects to each other. Well, it's the same thing. Or energy, right? Whatever state we're at, we are going to attract it like a magnet. Just like the universe, we are also made up of vibrational energy. Okay? Number 3, the law of pure desire. The law of pure desire or unwavering desire means that we are guided by pure intention. And when we're guided by pure intention, without doubt, without fear, without feeling that we're not worthy or that we're not good enough, what we truly desire will manifest, because it's pure desire or pure unwavering desire. I've shared in a video too about how strong your desire is. When your desire is really strong, whether it's for something good or bad, positive or negative, it will come to you because of that intentional desire, that pure desire. It will come to you. So as an example, if you desire $1 billion, right? You say you want to manifest $1 billion, but deep on the inside you don't believe that you're, number 1, that you're worthy of $1 billion, that number 2, it's possible, and that you're always thinking about, well, I want $1 billion, I want to manifest $1 billion intentionally, but I don't know how that's going to come about. So you see, right off the bat, how do you expect to manifest $1 billion when, number 1, you don't think you're worthy, number 2, you're thinking about the how, and number 3, you don't believe that you can manifest $1 billion. So the law of pure desire and unwavering desire talks about you must feel strong desire for what you desire and actually believe and have the faith that you can. All right. Number 4, the 4th law of attraction. The 4th law of attraction is called the law of paradoxical intent or delicate balance, which means that everything in the universe and operating in our lives and around us is all about keeping things in balance. And when there's something that's off balance, because of this law, it will try to correct it, whether it's in your life or working around you, to bring it back to its normal balance, right? So if you are really put all your attention on something and it's become obsessive, that's when an imbalance happens. So then the law of paradoxical intent will try to balance out that sort of imbalance in your life. We always have to remember to show gratitude and appreciation when we are in the midst of manifesting. And we are always in the midst of manifesting because we are always manifesting. But when you're intentionally manifesting something, remember you have to come from a place that you already have it. Show appreciation for it. Speak appreciation. Express gratitude, right? Don't focus on the fact that you don't have it, because that's now going to shift into more of you coming from a lack mindset or a scarcity mindset. You want to come from a place of abundance. You want to come from a place of appreciation and gratitude and believing and acting as if you already have the thing, the money, the soul partner, all of those things, which will help you to manifest what you desire much faster. Okay? Number 5, the 5th law of attraction, the law of harmony or synchronization. This law talks about everything works in harmony, right? Everything in the universe, everything in this world works in harmony. And that we should too get into alignment with the harmony that's operating around us and within our lives. So when you desire a thing, it's important to be in alignment to the thing that you desire, because sometimes when we desire something, it doesn't necessarily mean that it's in harmony with us, or that we are in alignment to that thing, or that we are in that place where we can actually manifest it. So it comes down to your energy, your state, your thoughts, your emotions, your overall being, so that you can come in harmony with the thing that you desire. Therefore, when you become in alignment to that thing, this is like an alignment, then you can quickly manifest whatever that thing is, when you become harmony with it or within alignment to manifest the money, the abundance, the wealth, the clients, whatever that thing that you desire. Number 6, law of attraction. Number 6, the law of right action or conscious action. So we as humans, as mankind, we know innately when we should do the right thing. And this law is all about taking the right action. And sometimes we don't always know, but you can ask for guidance and get the inspiration to take the right action. And sometimes taking the right action is very clear on the action that you should be taking. So for example, you're walking down the street and you come across, an old lady fell in front of you or across the street, or you witness something. What would be the right action for you to do? Well, naturally, the right action would be to help that old lady or old man or whomever that may need help and assistance. That would be the right thing to do. That would be the right action to take. No one has to tell you that, right? But sometimes some of us, or some people, may just continue on their own way or on their own path. Well, I'm on the way to a meeting, or I have to get to work. I don't want to be late. I don't want to get involved. And they turn in a different direction, and they wouldn't even help, even knowing that is the right thing to do. It's the right action to take. So let me ask you, when you know that it is the right action to take, because it is a law, right? It is a law of the universe, the law of the right action. And when we know and knowingly take the law and use and take the right action, then the law of right action happens and operates in our life every single day. But when we do something good, then we attract more of that goodness. Number 7, the law of expanding influence. Every day we are and you are influencing people around you. You're influencing your family, your friends, your partner, your business, your clients, your audience, every single day. from the moment that we're up and about, we are influencing, whether it's positive or negative. And that influence is always expanding. The media is influencing us on some level. When we listen to podcasts, when we read a book, when we go on the internet, when we go on Instagram or Facebook or any social media, or when we walk down the street and we see things happening around us, there is a level of expanding influence happening, even if we are not aware of it. So I want you to be intentional about who you're influencing, on who and what is influencing you as well. What are you allowing to come into your mind every day? What are you allowing to you see or hear, or the words that you speak? What are those things that you are doing? What are those actions that you're doing that's influencing others, and that things that are influencing you? I really want you to take time to think about that, because once we are influenced at some level, it does have a ripple effect in the world around us, because we are all connected, we are all energy. And when we are influenced, we influence others, and others influence others, and there's this ripple effect because we are all connected. We are all one. So let's recap about the laws of attraction, the 7 laws of attraction. The first law was the law of manifestation. Number 2 was the law of magnetism. Number 3 was the law of pure desire. Number 4 is the law of paradoxical intent or delicate balance. Number 5 is the law of harmony or synchronization. Number 6 is the law of right action or conscious action. Number 7 is the law of expanding influence or universal influence. So I hope that these 7 laws have brought enlightenment to you, and now that you are more clear or more aware, or maybe you've known about these laws all along, share with me if you're familiar with these laws in the comments below, and how, what are some of these, within these laws, what is the one that you're more familiar with, and what is your consciousness or awareness of it? Are you really mindful of who you're influencing and what's influencing you? Are you taking the right action in your everyday life? Are you really being deliberate about what you're manifesting? I would love to really hear from you in the comments below. And if this video has been of value to you, please share it with your community, like it, and also if you're not part of the family, go ahead and subscribe and join the family here. And if you desire to have more support, deeper support, more accountability, I invite you to join the Dare to be Iconic Club. Check the link out below in the description, where I teach all about the law of attraction, manifestation, money, breaking through being stuck around money, really packaging up your gifts and passions into an offer, product, or service, so that you can make more money and also work less and have more freedom. So join me below. I'd love to hear from you. Let me know how you're finding these videos and the content on this channel. And I look forward to seeing you on the inside. And remember, as always, until next time, dare to be iconic in business and life. Bye for now.